I call this stressless spaghetti. Welcome to my channel, guys. We're going to be making this recipe with these vegetables: chopped onions, chopped garlic, sliced onions, and smoked fish. Let's get into the cooking. Drop oil in the pot. Pour a generous amount of oil. Add chopped onions and chopped garlic. Stir fry the chopped onions and chopped garlic for about 3 minutes, but be careful so it doesn't get burned. Next, you put in your tomato paste and stir fry. Also be careful so it doesn't get burned. Once it's properly stir fried, you can add in 2 cups of water. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Add in your 2 cups of water and cover the pot and let it come to a boil. Once it's boiled, add in seasoning cubes, add in salt, add in curry powder and black pepper. Cover the pot and let it boil. Once this is boiled, you can break and add in your spaghetti. If you don't break your spaghetti, it's completely okay, but I broke mine. I broke it into 3 because I don't like very long spaghetti. Once you've put it all in the pot, close the pot and let it come to a boil. Boil for about 10 minutes, then you open the pot and stir so it doesn't stick to the base of your pot. If the water is almost dried up, you can add in a little more water to your spaghetti. Then we add in the smoked fish, stir it to combine, and also add a little water because our spaghetti pot was getting dry. Next, we put in all our vegetables. We have chopped carrots, chopped green onions, some people like to call it spring onions, chopped red bell peppers, chopped green bell peppers, and also green bell peppers and red bell peppers cut into strips. Mix it all with your spaghetti. Get this beautiful view I'm looking at right now. This is it. Like, this is the best part. Cover and let it steam for a while. Open the pot, stir it all together, and your food is ready. Your spaghetti is ready. Dinner is served. Lunch is served. This can even be breakfast for a holiday. Add in sliced onions just for taste. You can cover for a bit to let it simmer. Mix it all together and your food is ready. Bon appetit, guys. Please do not forget to like this video. Please like this video. You love the video. All you have to do is tap that thumbs up button right there staring at you. Like this video. Subscribe to this channel. I don't know what language to speak, but please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and share this video with your loved ones, because food is a love language. Sharing food is sharing love. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.